Good morning, techies. Today we are going to learn FirstAndLastOrdefault method in LinQ queries. Now we are going to take a variable called int array. I'll give it as a name as numbers. Now I'm assigning a int array object like 45 comma 85 comma 68 comma 12 comma 45 comma 78 comma 6 comma 8 comma 112 comma and at 65 comma 44 comma and 23 comma 12 comma and 98 comma and 100. Now we have taken an object of int array. Now we are going to print the first record of this object. Like, see, if you take this, the first record is 45 and the next one is 85, the next one is 68, as etc. Like the last record, the last number is 100, that is for last or default. Now first we will see the first or default, how it works. Now I'm taking as another object result equal to numbers dot last or default. So no, now we have first we'll look at for first or default. So that will give the first record of the list. Okay, let me print console dot write line. The result is result is let me assign this the variable. The result, let me put a semicolon and console dot console dot read line. Now we will check what is the output for in console dot result. Console dot write line, we will see the result should be 45. Now let me run by pressing F5. By saving that, we'll see the result. The result should be 45. See, because it is for integer, like same that we can use for string, and we can use for list of object, or we can use for anything. The first or default result method will give the first record in the collection. Let me it's running. The project is built, is successed. Now let me see that the result. See, you can see result is 45. So what we expected, that 45 has come in console. Okay, and now let me check with the last record of last record the list. So now let me print with the numbers dot last or default. Now same console dot write line, the last element of collection is, Let me store here that element here. We'll keep it as a 0 because it's the first, the one and only one. The next one is we kept the what we have the result in this object variables. Control C. Control C. This one, this is not required. Now press Control S. What is expected? It is expecting semicolon here. Press Control F5 and press Control F5. Now Shift 5. We are stopping the debugging process. Now again I am saving, Control S and press F5 to see the record, because in the first start default method that will return the first element, and the last start default method that will return the last element of the collection. That is, first is 45 and the last one is 100. That's what we want to see in the console. Yeah. Now the result has come. The result is 45. This is for first start default method, and the last element of the collection is 100. So what we expected, that has come. Thank you.